Good morning to one and all. Today I am presenting my book presentation 0 to 1 is written by Peter Thiel. Creating truly innovative technology requires progressing from 0 to 1 rather than from 1 to n. This means creating something entirely new rather than incrementally adding to what already exists. One way to move from 1 to is globalization or enabling new market to access something that has already been created, but because resources are not infinite, globalization need to be accompanied by new technology to make the consumption of goods more efficient and sustainable, or else global ills will result. The world needs startup as an engine to both envision and create the future. Though there has been new technology lately, there are still many aspects of everyday life that are being for improvement given the right vision and strategy. The dot-com crash of 1990s taught entrepreneurs lesson about how to build a business that when followed today hinder the development of real technology innovation and sustainable growth. The rules should be ignored. Monopolies generate good for the world. If a business has achieved a monopoly, it indicates that the business has truly gone from 0 to 1 and created something for society that did not exist before or improved upon existing technology to such degree it has made the old technology obsolete. To create this sort of change, it is helpful to be definite optimist, someone who believes that the future will be better than the present. If we plan and work to make it better, this kind of worldview enables the vision, gumption, and presentations to go from 0 to 1. Monopolies are generate good for the world because the privilege that major profit allowed since doesn't have worry about competing with anyone. It has wider latitude to care about its workers, its product, and its impact on the wider world. Monopolies are more inequitable than we led to believe and shape their stories to avoid and regulation. For example, Google is seen primarily as search engine company. They own 68% of the market. In contrast, they are described as playing global advertising market. They only own 3.4%. Monopolies are only bad when a business lingers in the position unchallenged for too long. Ideally, new monopolies take over, adding entirely new category of abundance to the world. Thinking how Apple's mobile computing replaced Microsoft hold the PC market, who itself supplied IBM's hardware monopoly of the 1960s and 1970s. The key creating monopoly is to resist copying other business models and instead of thinking for yourself. Prioritize four aspects of your business over a hyper focus on growth, priority, technology, network, effects, economic of scale, branding. Rather than initially painting visual global market dominance, the best way to build monopoly to start small, capture a small specific market with it and class to easily branch to related market over time. Now the venture capital firms typically make their money by finding the one single startup that will outperform all their other investments. The bar really is that high for your pitch. The one single startup that will outperform all the other VC firms portfolio has solved previously unaddressed problem or need in the world in other worlds they have and solve secrets